So today, we will set the value of object property. We will use dot notation to update the value of the property. So to update name, for example, we can use developer.name and assign a different name. Or we can use developer.age and assign a different age to update the age. Now, let's take them in action. Just after the name, I want to add also known as $developer.name equals Johnny. If you check the preview, you can see an additional message also known as Johnny. If I type developer in the console, you can see it has updated the property value of name to Johnny. So just after the developer object, I will add developer.nickname and assign them to Johnny. Now in the message, I can simply use developer.nickname. If you check the preview, you can still see the same message, but if you type developer, you can see the name property is still John, but there is a new property, nickname, added with the value Johnny. Finally, I also want to use the length property, so in the message, I will update them to I know $developer.skills.length skills and a colon. If you take the preview, we can see I know 3 skills: JavaScript, React, Node. Great! This is the end of this session. In the next session, we will use the for in loop. Feel free to comment below if you have any questions. Also, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel to get more videos in the future. Thank you and see you soon.